I was just really excited and happy. It's really a high. You know, they scoop her up and put her on your chest and you just love them so much immediately.
I did it. She's here. She's on my chest.
And so once you let your body go, your body just automatically takes over.
Just seeing him for the first time, I was just like, this is incredible.
You don't need to be a modern-day birthing goddess or be blessed with birthing superpowers. You can have a satisfying birth experience simply by learning about what to expect, having the right support, and feeling good about the choices you make.
Will my water break at the start of my labor like it does in the movies?
It's possible that your water could break as it does in the movies, but unlikely.
What if my baby won't stop crying? Should I call our pediatrician?
It is perfectly normal and quite common for newborns and young babies to cry, sometimes a lot.
Your support person or team doesn't need any special skills or training. Rocking your hips while sitting on the ball can reduce discomfort from contractions and help with your baby's descent into your pelvis. "30 hours after Sarah arrived at the hospital, she is 4 centimeters dilated. Sarah and Nick consider an epidural.
A big decision to have the epidural was the fact that I was not going anywhere. So if I had been progressing, it would have been easier to maybe hold off, but this could have gone on for another 2 days. So at that point, it was just a no-brainer.
Your baby lives inside of your uterus, a strong balloon-shaped muscle that contracts or squeezes during labor. You might hear your healthcare provider talking about your baby's pelvic station. This is the position of the baby's head in relation to the spines of your pelvis. As you push with each contraction, your baby's head moves down and then slips back slightly between contractions. To help the head move down, your baby's skull is made up of separate bones that slide together to help their head fit through the birth canal.
I just knew that it was almost time.
We just kind of talked each other through it, and I rubbed her back.
You talked, I screamed, yeah.
Pretty much.
As people are walking by looking at this really large pregnant woman trying to squeeze her way out of a door.
I love the mesh underwear. To this day, I still have some, and those are my favorite pairs of underwear, honestly.
While it may feel like an eternity, pregnancy actually lasts about 40 weeks and is divided into 3 trimesters. This graph shows the length of a contraction, which is how long it lasts, and their frequency, which is how far apart they happen. Visualizing yourself in a peaceful place, like a favorite vacation spot, can also be helpful during labor. Techniques such as massage, acupressure, and hydrotherapy can prevent the painful stimuli of labor contractions from reaching the brain. The birth of your baby brings about feelings of joy you've likely never experienced. Parenthood is truly the hardest job you'll ever love, and having an empowered birth is only the beginning of a lifelong journey.
It's okay to not have all your plans work out and have to adjust. But you really have to trust your process, and the nurses and doctors keep the open communication with them.